Welcome to the next video on flat. In this video we are going to see how regular expression can be constructed from the transition system by using algebraic method using Arn's theorem. So some assumptions are there. Number one is in the transition system or in the transition graph there will be no null move. So null move is not permitted in this case. So we have to keep this in mind. Second assumption is only one initial state will be there in the transition diagram. So these two are the basic assumptions which we have to consider for using algebraic method. Now how we are going to solve the question. Suppose there are n number of states, then there will be n number of equations for n states. And how we are going to write the equation? So equation will be written as the state name is equal to summation of state from which input is coming. State from which input is coming concatenated with that input. So all those things will be added and equation will be formed. For initial state, we are going to use null in the equation because one arrow is coming from nowhere in the initial state. So epsilon will be added to the first equation written for the initial state. This thing we have to keep in the mind. Now, how to solve the question? Equations are going to be solved by repeated substitution by using Arden's theorem, the identities for regular expressions, and then we are going to write the regular expression for the transition system. How we are going to write it? So we have to keep in the mind that the states that is corresponding to the final state of the transition system will correspond to the regular expression. So in simpler way we can write it like this. The expression consists of only the input symbol of sigma, that is the input alphabet of the transition system, for the final state in the regular expression for the transition system. So if there are multiple final state, then we have to take union of all those expressions. Now consider one example. We are having one transition system having three states Q1, Q2 and Q3. The inputs are described as given below. The A transition from Q1, B transition, Q2, B, and again A. Upon reading A, Q3 goes to Q2 and Q1 remains in Q1 upon reading A. So we are going to write the equations for Q1, state name followed by input Q1A plus Q2B plus null for the initial symbol. Similarly for Q2, Q1A plus Q2B plus Q3A, and for Q3, Q2A. So we have written these equations. Now number 8, and you have to use repeated substitution. So by using the value of Q3 in equation 2, so we are going to substitute Q3 in Q2. So Q2 is equal to Q1A plus Q2B plus Q2A. Now rewrite this equation Q1A plus Q2B plus AA. So we are having the equation in the form of R is equal to Q plus RP. So solution will be what? Q1A B plus AA star. If you remember, Arden's theorem states that R is equal to Q plus RP, then R is equal to QP star is the solution. So this result is going to be used in equation 1. So we are going to substitute value of Q2 in Q1 So Q1 is equal to Q1A plus value of Q2 is what? Q1A B plus A star followed by B plus null. Rewrite this equation. Q1 is equal to null plus Q1 A plus A B plus A star B. So again we are having the equation of the form Q plus RP. So solution is what? Null A plus A B plus A star B star. So what is the value of Q2? We are going to substitute this value in Q2. So we are having this value as the value of Q2, and what is the value of Q3? Substitute the value of Q2 in Q2A equation 3. So we are going to have this A plus A B plus A star B star A B plus A star A, and this is the regular expression corresponding to the transition system given in the equation question. Thank you.